When you go ahead and connect to a computer, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and control it. For example, I have this computer right here. Let me just go ahead and access this out. So I'm just going to go around over here and send a connection request to it. So I'm going to go ahead and then click on that arrow to send a connection request. And now the other user will have to go ahead and accept it. So now if the other user, let's say for example, moves their mouse, you won't be actually be able to do anything. So you can see that I got the green mouse right here, just like this. And when the other user actually uses the mouse, they will be in control right here, just like this. The other user would have to let go of their mouse for you to actually go ahead and control it out. So now you can see that this is the other user. You can see that there's the no icon right here. As you can see right here, you can see that it actually goes ahead and shows the cross mark, meaning you cannot control. But as soon as they let go of it, you can actually go ahead and control out the computer as you like. So now you simply can go ahead and control it out. Let's say for example, you can go around over here and then access out, let's say for example, something like notepad right here, just like this. I can simply go ahead and type it in as necessary and then control it as if I was controlling my own computer. You can see that the other user only has one monitor, and that is why I can only see one monitor at the moment. But if they have multiple monitors plugged in, then you'll be able to go ahead and click right here and access that out as well. You'll be able to see all of the things right here. And besides this, what you can also do right here is click on browse files, and you will be able to go ahead and you'll be able to see the other person's let's say files as well. So you can see that I can go ahead and navigate around right here onto their desktop and access out the files as well. So that is how you can go ahead and control out your remote computer as you like. And you can click on the screen again in order to go ahead and get back right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.